What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you to my new tutorial in Adobe Photoshop. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can apply stroke color to your image in Adobe Photoshop. First thing you need to consider that your picture has no background. That is, you have already cut out the image background. So as you can see on the screen here, I have my background color on its own. Then I have the picture layer on its own. That is, they are not the same, right? So next thing you have to do is to right click on the image layer. When you right click on the image layer, this is going to pop up. Then from this option, you select blending option. So having select blending option, the dialog box is going to pop up, and this is where you select, this is where you format your stroke color. Then at this point here, you select stroke. When you double click on the stroke property is going to pop up. Then from this point here, you can play around with the stroke format. So you can increase the opacity. Then you make sure you come here, make sure you select outside. Then you can as well reduce the stroke width. Then you can double click on the color and change the color. If you don't like red, you can change it to blue. Whichever color of your choice, you are good to go. You can change it to green. But in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of red. Then you click on OK. And OK. This is how you apply stroke color to your image in Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and also remember to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorials in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. See you soon.